Hello student, I am Susil and we are going to start a new series for 3ds Max, and in this series we discuss about modifiers. In this first video clip we discuss about effect region modifier. With the help of effect region modifier you can form a bubble or indentation in the surface of an object. I show you. First we have to create a plane on the perspective viewport, so I create a plane with the click and drag method. Then go to modify section and increase length and width segment. I increase up to 30. Then press F4. Now I apply modifier, so I click on the modifier list, and in the object space modifier, first modifier is effect region modifier. When you click on it, you can see a bubble type shape is created. In the parameter section you can see total 3 parameters are available here. First is Falloff. By increasing or decreasing this Falloff value you can increase or decrease this region of bubble, and by using this pinch and bubble parameter you can modify this shape. If you increase pinch parameter you can see a pin type shape is created. Now I reset this by right click on the up and down arrow keys, same as I increase bubble parameter, so you can see surrounding vertices or surface are moving upside. If you decrease this pinch value you can see a hole is created in the center of this. I decrease Falloff parameter first. Okay, you can see a depth is created in the center. If I show you bottom side you can see a arrow is placed here and there are 2 points. If you want to select these control point, first you have to expand this modifier by clicking on this arrow, and by clicking on this point you can select this point or this one also. First I select this point and then I show you. By selecting this gizmo you can increase or decrease this Falloff value. Same as by selecting this second point, I click and drag in the upside, so you can see the result is in inverse direction. If I change these parameter little bit and then I show you, I change these parameter little bit and you can see a dent is created on the surface. If you want to create a dent on the surface or this type hole you can use this modifier. I show you another example. This time I create a teapot and increase the segment value up to 20. And also switch to 4 viewport windows so I can see this from the top side and then from the other side also. Now I apply effect region modifier on it, so I click on this and you can see it's applied and this arrow is placed here and geometry also got modified. You can see this modifier by default apply in the bottom side, but in case if you want to apply from the side you have to change the position of these points. So first I select this point. I have to expand this modifier first, so I click on the point and select this point first and then click and drag. I want to create a dent in this position, so first I select this point and then move, and same as I select second point and then place here. You have to check these points from the top viewport also, and then go to perspective viewport and then change the parameter. First I decrease the bubble value and also change the pinch value and Falloff value, so you can see a dent is created. You can also create a animation with the help of this modifier. I show you. First we have to enable the auto keyframe and then click on this plus button to record this parameters on the timeline, then move the time slider little bit and then reset these parameters. So I decrease this value and you can see a animation is created with the help of Falloff parameter. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Now we meet in the next class.